The Ordovician period. The Ordovician period included a major extinction that took out 85% of the species during this period. The Ordovician period began 488 million years ago, and 510 million years ago, Gondwana, which was the supercontinent at the time, was created. The Ordovician period ended 433 million years ago. The Ordovician globe. This is like what the world looked like during the time of the Ordovician. The landscape. The area north of the tropics was almost entirely ocean, and most of the world's land was collected into southern supercontinent Gondwana. Throughout the Ordovician, Gondwana shifted toward the South Pole, and much of it was submerged underwater. From the lower to middle Ordovician, the Earth experienced a mild climate. The weather was warm, and the atmosphere contained a lot of moisture. However, when Gondwana finally settled on the South Pole during the Upper Ordovician, massive glaciers formed, causing shallow seas to drain and sea levels to drop. Organisms. The Ordovician is best known for its diverse marine invertebrates, including graptolites, trilobites, brachiopods, and conodotes. A typical marine community consists of these animals, plus red and green algae, primitive fish, cephalopods, corals, crinoids, and gastropods. Extinctions. The Silurian extinction occurred during this time. This was one of the 5 largest extinctions that took place in Earth's history. It eliminated about 85% of the species living during this time. The Earth was cooling, causing the oceans to freeze over. A few species that became extinct were brachiopods, trilobites, and graptolites. Attractions. You can see the first primitive plants. You can also see the first primitive fish. And you can see the big supercontinent of Gondwana. And you can see some of the first fish to have like spines and flexible. Needed items for travel and survival. You would definitely need some scuba gear since most of the world was underwater. A large supply of oxygen because the air in the Ordovician was carbon dioxide. And you need weapons because there are many animals that we don't know about. And this is our works cited.